welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Namhlanje ngine-story esikhulu kakhulu bafowethu yabo, ngeke nikholwe i-story enginaso namhlanje yabo. Namhlanje le story lesi njengoba ngizosisho namhlanje bazosintshontsha abanye babhale ngaso ba-reporte ngaso, but guess what, nginika la ku-TikTok mahala. Ngifuna ukunibonisa ukuthi nginokwenza imali kanjani ngokuthengisa iy'tori yabo, ngoba i-story sinama-layers amaningi. Kune-player lase-South Africa elidlala kwenye i-country. Guess what, lifike kule country leyo 2019, but namhlanje selidlalela i-national team yakhona, le player seliyi-captain i-national team yakhona. Akekho umuntu owaripota ngale story eSouth Africa, yimi kuphela. Okokuqala nisibona le story lesi, okokuqala niza ngaso le story lesi bafethu. Yabo, bazosintshontsha namhlanje but akunandaba, bazosithatha benze ngaso 100,000 but akunandaba. Namhlanje ngisideliver la ku TikTok mahala, ngabe ngisithengisile but ngidecide ukungasithengisi. So kune-play igama la le player lelo uMohamed Khan. If ngilisho right igama lakhona, isibongo sakhona uMohamed, and then baspela bathi KHAN. Yabo, wase East London lo muntu lo bafethu, East London, Eastern Cape. Wayedlalela iMilano United, but iMilano United ngathi yathengwa iTTM, if I'm not mistaken, khona lapho wadlalela neTTM. But ngo-2019 wahamba eSouth Africa. Guess what, uya eThailand. Mefike eThailand wadlala nje few months, and then wamuvela kwenye country to Cambodia. And then mefike Cambodia bafowethu, kula wadlalela enye team, and then wamuva kwenye team engconywana yakhona, then sekadlale khona for isikhathi. Guess what, 2024 sekadlale 5 years kuleyo country leyo ne, bamthatha ku-national team. So bathi neutralization yokuthi bamenze bamnike i-citizenship yaleyo country leyo through ibhola and stuff like that, nanokuthi e-country nakhona sekahlale for 5 years. Namhlanje sekayi-captain ye-Cambodia national team. Okay, wayizwa blend abanikaze nayizwa bafethu, ngiyaqala ukizwa la kuNkuli Soccer. I give you the exclusive yabo. So ngidecide ukungafocus kakhulu kunidilivela le ndaba mahala. That's why, because iy'tori ezikanje, but akusiy'tori ezikanje kuphela, iziningi iy'tori engizithengisela kuma-website. Le story lesi ngabe ngizithengise boma 3,000, but ngidecide ukusinika nina for free. That's why ngifuna ukunibonisa elinye iside lokuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthola iy'tori, ngiziresearch, ngibheka ama-layers wakhona. Ngizonibonisa nje okuncane about le player leli ukuthi wahambelana eSouth Africa, nanokuthi kunamapolitiki wasebholeni lase-South Africa kangakanani yabo. Umndeni wakhe even today uhlale e-East London ne. Umndeni wakhe yazi uthini, umndeni wale-player lithi ubathi methola i-contract ngale or aba-right, segcina sechuzwa ku-national team, bathi bayamjabulisa noma bayambongela wahamba ebholeni lase-South Africa ngoba kunama-complications, kune-discrimination. Lo muntu lo akusumuntu omnyama, akusuwumlungu, uyi-India yabo, is an Indian guy. So siyazi ibhola lase-South Africa linama-complications kakhulu. Anjani ama-complications wakhona? Obviously kupreferwa umuntu ofana nathi, angithi umuntu omnyama. Sometimes ngidlalela ibhola mina kuma-junior ranks kakhulu ne, bedlala nabelungu aba-super talented but abapheleli indawo, because isikhathi esiningi ama-scouts ini ba-prioritize abantu abamnyama, even though kunamangami lamaningi or ngike ngadlala mina nelinye India bafethu elike langijulisa la lengishiya igame yonke, bengingana chance. Lo mjida beka powerful, but guess what, South African football ku-professional side azange afike ngoba kunamapolitiki wakhona. I think indaba Mohamed Khan nakhona same thing, ukuthi kunamapolitiki isikhathi esibhaya, bakubheka i-color of your skin isikhathi esiningi. So ubheke ku-rugby, they try ku-rugby ukuhlanganisa abantu abamnyama nabelungu. Yileyo nto leyo ukuthi nasebholeni lase-South Africa kumele ngabe bayenza, because there are guys who are not black but they are super talented yabo. Seka-change igama lakhe laphana, njengoba sekadlala i-national team yase-Cambodia, wafika 2019 lapha, seka-change igama lakhe, so u-Ken Mo, ukuthi accommodate le language yakhona. Bathi iKhema or le language yakhona yase-Cambodia, if ngisho kahle, ngicela nisearcheleni nizibhekeleni. This is gonna be one of the biggest stories. If bayaripota, bangatatazeli ukuripota, asinandaba, but wonke umuntu ozosiripota le story lesi nimkhumbuze ukuthi usithathe kuNkuli Soccer. Without uNkuli Soccer abasazi le story, without mina abasazi le story. Ngabe ngisithengisile le story, but ngidecide ukusikhipha mahala la ku-TikTok mahala. Ninibonise elinye iside ukuthi ungenza kanjani imali when you have good stories. Noma ungawusiyi-right powerful, but uma uzokwazi ukuresearcha about i-subject, uma uzokwazi ukuthola ama-transfers, uma uzokwazi ukusearcha about ama-players adlala overseas, adlala local, iy'tori uzidevelophe, ube ne-skill esincane nje, awudingeki ne-super skill esincane nje sokubhala. Unga-approach iSoccerladum, unga-approach iFA Post, unga-approach i-Kickoff, maningi ama-website unga-approach bafethu wenza imali. Yabona le story lesi, if lesi singaba nama-click ayi-1 million, imali serious leyo bafethu yabo. Kuya nge-CPM ne-RPM yaleyo website leyo, bazosidropa online ngoba bazoyenza imali. Njengoba sinama-layers amaningi, bazokwenza 100,000 nge-story esisodwa. Okay, maybe uthola ukuthi asikho that big, benze 20,000 30,000, but wena ozoba reportela le story lesi ubavezele sona, bazokushaya ngo-3,000. Ziningi indlela zokwenza imali bafowethu. Biggest story of the day. Danko bafowethu.